Today on Engineering Newswire, we're taking to the skies with the Solo drone, getting ready to crash into Mercury, and cooking in the world's first robotic kitchen. Robot's got nothing on me. These hands, magic. At the end of this month, and after more than 10 years in space, NASA's Messenger mission will end when the spacecraft crashes into Mercury at more than 8,700 miles per hour. An onboard altimeter, which mapped Mercury's surface, is helping navigate the spacecraft's low-altitude passes. The altimeter makes precise measurements that are used to determine where craters, mountains, and other features are located, and just how treacherous they may be. The team has already produced a digital elevation model of the planet's surface. I mean, just look at the detail. I mean, the thing is 48 million miles away and has been working nonstop since 2004, so we can cut it some slack. The instrument's new task is to take measurements while the spacecraft is close to the planet to track its position. By comparing the predicted orbit to its actual path, the navigation team can determine whether they need to make any corrections. Messenger has traveled 4.9 billion miles, including 15 trips around the sun and flybys of Earth, Venus, and Mercury. And now we're just running it into the ground. Well, I suppose that for everything, there is a first time. It's a Star Trek line.
3D Robotics recently unveiled Solo, a drone the company describes as the ultimate tool for aerial video and photography. According to the company, even brand new pilots will be able to capture cinematic shots that would require years of practice. A cable cam feature allows the user to lock Solo on a virtual cable between any 2 points in the air so that he or she can focus on camera work. The user can pan and tilt the camera freely without worrying about the direction of the drone. A standard follow me mode is also available, as is an orbit function in which the user picks an object, presses orbit, and the drone will fly in a circle around the object. The $1,000 drone also has a one-click method of taking a super awesome selfie. Its smart features are made possible by the two onboard computers, one located in the drone and one in the controller. A live mobile app also gives the user a view of his or her GoPro and even has a built-in simulator that teaches you how to safely fly. The 3.3-pound all-black drone and gaming-inspired controller will be available as an open-source platform in May.
The world's first automated kitchen was unveiled this week at Hannover Messe. Created by Robotics, the system features a robot integrated into a high-tech kitchen that can cook with the skills of a master chef, which is more than some humans can say. The current prototype is the product of 2 years of R&D and the collaboration of an international team, including Tim Anderson, the 2011 winner of the BBC's Master Chef competition. The system works by capturing the human's motions of cooking, specifically that of Anderson. After developing a dish to test the system's capabilities, crab bisque, soup, Anderson was recorded cooking the dish in 3D in a specially designed studio. His motions were captured and then translated into digital movements using bespoke algorithms. The company is currently working to scale the technology for mass production and installation into regular-sized kitchens. Future versions of the robotic system will be more compact and will feature a built-in refrigerator and dishwasher, because nobody wants to clean up after their robot. The mass market launch of the consumer version is expected within 2 years and will feature an iTunes-style library of more than 2,000 dishes to be downloaded and cooked by your kitchen robot.
Do you have story ideas? Comment below and we'll run them into the ground like NASA. For the PD&D channel, I'm David Manti. This has been your Engineering Newswire.